If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Also subscribe to my channel for more DIYs, hair routines, regimens to regrow back our alopecia edges, as well as bomb ass styles that we can wear out in public and still feel confident. All right. What's up, y'all, and welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to show y'all how to do a quick slick down. Now, I did these finger coils. If you have not yet seen that video, you can go back over to my channel. I just have posted that one, but now I'm finished with this look. I want to just lay my hair down because it's cold outside, and I want to keep my hair protected from the cold elements. So I'm just going to go in with my Cantu Shea Water Bottle mixture, and I'm going in with my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to start slicking down my hair. I already have the Eco Styler in my hair, so I'm not actually going to add any more product. We're just going to mold this thing down. This should be very quick, super easy. This hairstyle is not really even a hairstyle. It's just like the precursor to another hairstyle. It's a good way to get your hair to lay flat. You might want to sit under a hair dryer to dry it flat, but me, I just let mine air dry throughout the day. I am going to go in with some Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, and this is some styling gel. And I'm going to add some of that just to the underneath and the ends of the hair, and that's just going to help it lay. Don't be afraid to put the gel in there, y'all. If you want your hair to lay, you got to put product in it. All right, so I got my mold laid down as good as I'm going to get it. Let me show y'all what it should be looking like in the back. If I have product on the back of my neck, don't worry about that. I will be wiping that off. But to lay down my hair, I'm going in with these Red by Kiss wrap strips. So this is what I will be using to tie down my hair. They come in 40 of these strips in the pack. And so yeah, we're going to use this, all right? I'm going to start by at the bottom of my nape and wrap. And I just like to spray just a little bit of water, and that's just gonna help the wrap strips stay. And I'm gonna start wrapping up towards the top of my head. But start low and wrap high. A couple more of these. Adding some more water. And you want to put as many wrap strips on your head as you think that you need. Just put as many as you think that you need. There's no correct number. There's no right or wrong way. So just do it your own way. Wrapping right across the top of the head, because you have a lot of flyaways up there, and yeah, I know it looks a little silly right now, but it's gonna be real cute when we're done. Put one more right at the crown area, right in the back here. And you're gonna look like a whole mummy, but that's okay, don't worry about it. And then you can either go in with a do-rag or a head scarf, some kind of hair tie. I have this piece of fabric here, a little scarf. I'm just going to place that over my head from the nape around. And I am going to let this sit on my head for about 2 hours, and then I'll come back and show y'all how my mold's set up. You can probably cut these off around your neck now that you have the cap on, and you let it sit, and I'll come back and show y'all what it's looking like. Stay tuned to the finished product. Like I said, it's not all the way dry, so I do have some damp spots, but I'm okay with that. Let me turn around and let y'all see what the back is hitting for. You can go back in and just retie the back of the nape, because that area always tends to want to roll up on you the fastest. So just for security purposes, go ahead and just tie that back down and allow your hair to finish air drying. Okay, y'all, I did go off camera and just retie back down the nape area of my head. And so I want to take this off. All right, so like I said, this is the end of the video. I do have some accessories I want to put on with these. These are my like little studious nerd glasses. And I want to pop this on with an accessory. This is a leopard print hat that I got off of Temu. And I just want to pop this on the back of my head. And this would be the finished look for this hairstyle. Go ahead. And if you like what you saw, guys, go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below. This is just a quick mold video. Just giving y'all something to think about, something to add to your hair styling routines and regimens. Just giving y'all just some ideas, just what to do with your hair. Just some low manipulating hairstyles. So if y'all like this video, go ahead and thumbs it up. Drop me a comment down in the comment section below and share this video with others. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next one. Peace.